Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. We are nothing now. We are nothing now. We are nothing now. Oh, we are nothing now. Yeah, so we are nothing now. We are nothing now. Yeah, we are nothing now. Oh, we are nothing now. Say, I call you Jireh. Say, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William me ground cover. 1, 2, 3.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ye ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofra hwemu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu. Enu ntin ye to ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kire se eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors die ye immigration team no avedare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nuanom ne atiefo yamamu nyina achi da radio ase anopai wama yenkwa hoden ne yatimi asori yeda na ase se okoso hwe yen yeda mo so ase se na mo ba abeka ye ho ne yedi dwumadie anopai ye wo lawyer Eunice wa ha obebiebie ne ma bi so ene so a kire yen na ubehu na me na me host na for the first time me na me host nti ye behwe se na nema ebeko but ye dikan titru say ye be koso abomu nyina abaso se mfi bebre ni no mo ne ye edi dwuma ye dam ase bebre and topic a ye de ba no emu ehwam na ayade a sebi obia ya bo wa bawiase bia no ayeden a obefem enti topic a Eunice abono tofa a ne obebie so a kire ye no aye topic a munyina munim se woba kromu ha na wo kafo a one ne te no anyame frɛ na kwan ben na wo ho na nsa ne be yesa no ye be bisa Eunice na wa mayen updates bi wo ho a na mom ene yen amone ye di dwuma no e frɛ BWF Solicitors mo de munim ye mfititete na BWF Solicitors then ye BWF Solicitors ye lawyer ku bi a omo London 7 Sisters na oma ye adwuma ya che omo pani oda no aye miamete hai adwuma ma ye no 30 years sabio nyame adom munim ye nse ya ye adwuma yi fititama ye wo Leytonstone they call Dalston they call Brixton they about 7 Sisters na ye adwuma ya che adwuma ye titiru immigration biom ye family law ye civil litigation say akoba se nsem bi enkoyie na abusuafo atwe homa nso family law say bi yere ni kun wantwi aba ana say ma empo sabi oba na kodi ba be nura se obi ofre na ni kun akogya ne ba esigana and de ne British passport aba den na obetimi aye ebiom munim se ye Ghana for ti Ghana law no de yedi mu akotene pa ti no nso ya de aye ye chro reports ma courts e wa ha me wa ha ma chro reports bebre ama almost all the local authorities are Greater London being so our outside London actual reports cases are on my report to a court of high court there back a court of appeal ningina wo our website that chibia no opesa mo hwa obetimi akoso se na be ya men kasa bebre no me de telephone number and na ye di dwuma no me de betudwa se na be ya mo betimi afre ene no call bia mo be bia na e be ba studio ha ya na e be fa wa ha because Jumadin ye didn't studio ha anka Thursday nka Prophet Stanley ananka also Unisim na ene no okoba bi enti na wo se me na me ba be so nti numbers ene ye de be ya adwuma no anegu computer no so na mom wo hwe computer na bi ade atua waso a wuti a number ye de be di dwuma no aye 020 123 1016 0208 123 1016 na opesa ofre mobile so a 073 99 20 8468 the numbers are ye bedi dwuma na ye bie telephone to ma obi a betimi afre na question bia obi a no ya mamoa Eunice Mema wakwaba.
Mejel so.
Na abrabom te sɛn.
Yame adom bibi abɔkɔ.
Yo, yɛde nyame asenso sɛ ɔde wo abɛkyɛ yɛn ane Ghanafoɔ. Na ɛnɛ no wo update bi wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi abiebie so ana.
Pachan, mami.
Yo, ɛna ma nenkɔ.
Mami di kan enche ye tiefoɔ ne viewers a ɔmo hwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ Facebook so ɛne YouTube. And I'm saying BW radio so a happy new month and then in 1st of September 2022 into me wishing a happy new month and so birthday nina me wishing a happy birthday in advance me and shamunina na monkoso de bia okay into saying de bia you know Yabama your updates and sana yako your main topic no so. Usually no my updates in regards to your immigration law. Bibia new enshada empire, but as of August, which is the last month at Ekoye, Home Office no ede enshishay FB to her in regards to your applications for private lives into conform person your application for indefinite leave to remain in regards to the private life. Into last week, me born home come and I was saying, say, in regards to young kola ya warm chrome ha, into 1B7, ever chrome ha, then over to me, I saying over to me, indefinite leave to remain. And no, na or patch say because a colano what's not a chrome ha continuously for that 7-year period, who on a birth set. All sounds so able to me actually say it will be unreasonable for Sa Akolano to go back to another crow biso. In Senono Sano, na why application no for Sa Akolano in the indefinite leave to remain. Ebia Akolano one won chrome ha into Uwon Ghana and Sana or the neighbor. We had 2.5 nibi to say wa into also Sano a bear then now a application for indefinite leave to remain. So or you're under 18 dear and there's Akolano. Say we have 2.5 for a 5-year period there now also be to me qualify for indefinite leave to remain under your appendix private life. And then akola abia wapa 18 ya wonu chrome ha in so also what 2.5 nibi what's not a chrome ha for a continuous period of 5 years in see akola no or you're above 18 but or you're under 25. Sa kolano obetumi achire say was spending more than half of their life ewo chrome ha inti eno sano because was spending more than half of their life no ewo chrome ha inti ono so sano chire say and ono so eyo akola obetumi an application for indefinite leave to remain ewo UK chrome ha and na say sa nimpa na ebia watna chrome ha for 20 years ono so kwan bi so obetumi aye application for indefinite leave to remain. So also sa or yes qualifying period of at least 10 years into 2.5 no obeye mpempenswa for 10 years answer now also obetumi aye application for indefinite leave to remain ewo chrome ha. And I yes also what appendix settlement family life into ABA or your parents and answer ABA or your partner of Obia or your British and answer Obia or your settled ever chrome ha and now crampo say Oba based on the fact say Uknu EU near when limited leave to remain ever chrome ha and answer Oba now one chrome ha or limited leave to remain under your appendix EU in no sano because we application no actually say oh you will qualify either under the 5-year route and answer under the 10-year route no or yet sa application no to show say why yes our continuous period no ebia one that parent route no sa for the 5-year period and answer for the 10-year period ebia o share no now our partner route no so and I was say about parents route no so ebia because of wo no in term etete yanti sa appendix settlement no e combine it sa will leave now wo on the parent route and the partner route, saying over to me aye application no for indefinite leave to remain. And so it combines the other routes now also no, so that you would have that qualifying period to be able to make that application no for indefinite leave to remain. Inti sa adeɛ we mienu we na at least me de be share. I know say continuously nkɔfo ebisa in regards to applications are almost dear tuma. Of course, delays abam. Yes, of course, delays. No, I think say it is very unreasonable because even what I'm catch say still now maintain 9 months near and I say 11 months near and I say to a day over 1 year. Then I meet to me I afa so lawyer definitely lawyer no ebe pre-action protocol and I say letter before claim. I try say sad delays way unreasonable. But yenim say because of the fact that COVID by almost answer can say because of Ukraine applications are almost different humanity almost to me yet applications no as quickly as they should. In some of the websites no so say there will be delays in terms of processing times in Sienshan and so we will of course say there are decisions coming through because of the fact say yes sir complaints any letter before claims say because of all of these issues in say so almost started almost making decisions in so much I say almost decisions ever and now say almost requested for further documents saying ya almost to me and make your decision in say what the buyer what you and so say almost the hujuma almost the baby baba in say no so ever hosa into your share with yeah, main topic. Now I make sure say obi biara opese obi sa na asem either on Facebook Live and answer on the main telephone lines. Not me to me so I shall say ebi some more questions. Yeah, I will be the Solicitors. You will 214 to 218 of Tottenham High Road no so. Your postcode no N15 4NP. Into your Ben 7 Sisters train station in Impair. So person over your officer over to me afre your main office line 0208 493 7340 into 0208 493 7340. So open so book appointment in terms of the fact that baby a what no ewa into open Zoom consultation and answer Zoom appointment you best to me aye and also amount into you better also with your main topic na yama 1 minute break saying you bet to me at first.
Yo lawyer Eunice ya da wase bebre na de ba ko a wo ka ato masumi a say ebeboa atiefo no yenim say sabi obi wo ho a or partner and our warrior no ogi asetena eba bema our reject me ba nti bi opeso gina na ba no so na odegi asetena na wo ka se sesia no obetime de warrior na asetena aye partner route no ana eba na asetena aye parent of a child no say why 5 years so why 10 years so obetime de abom na odi aye ti honi biom na kire yen se na obetime aye sa application.
Okay, into your appendix settlement family life no. Say ebia we obia na under partner route no so. Into we are 2.5 years based on who kuno and answer we area or British and answer or settled and answer or limited leave on your appendix EU. And now muntem etete into because of no we 2.5 now we kuno na say was sa ekọ wo ba no so. Into ebia or eba with ukrono and asa we no into eba no ebia no so indefinite or so ana say a British child ana crampo say oya akola with limited leave to remain on your appendix EU into almost an emma or asetna on obana or was a British citizenship and as a settlement and limited leave to remain no or no so ena oyinya wo 2.5 akopem ebia emrena wo dream say wotuminya wo settlement because what to say or 10 years I over to me I apply for indefinite leave to remain ebia wo dream say wo 2.5 na wonya on wo partner route no so no ebia encounter towards wo indefinite because ebia wo sisan and na ukoda wo ba no so instead of wo partner nti o hwe senya wo betumi ayesa application for indefinite leave to remain nti under your appendix settlement for family life no e kire say wo betumi a kire say why qualify for that continuous period of 10 years nti 2.5 back on your partner and now I 2.5 3 ewo parent route no so na o kire say because with 2.5 now why no it was for a continuous period of 10 years break bia ambim in say no sano o gina no so aka say because when you're 10 years ninti o pesa o year application under your appendix settlement family life no so senya won so betumi enya indefinite leave to remain into a combine will leave now wo partner route no so any parent route no so senya wo betumi so IS application for continuous qualifying period of 10 years under your appendix FM no so into no na me pesa me cheche yemu
yo na ane na che say we ye ade papa because first no so wo switch a wontimi combine na age say wo application a wo ye no set and I say long residence enti we ye ade a sabio ye da home office for us na Eunice ane topic here na me pese o baba ni kakra say ye kase bereaved partner a ye potokasa what the betwi mu a bereaved partner our application as you say
into the your immigration rules and shada my definition but you need say under your immigration rules and my definition for partner into partner obi a waware no into obi a your spouse into wukunu anase oyere anase obi a onware no into sanimpa no won na atena for at least a period of 2 years into wo kase sanimpa no your partner and now say obi beka say we civil partner into obi a on your street couple into or the other side of the pond shall I say into sa nipa way either that nukunu obi a watna ekrom ha into nukunu anasa ne yere or British anasa watna ekrom ha when your settlement and now come for say what's not chrome how when you're limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no so. And now said nipa no unmarried partner into sa nipa no's partner no ebia on natna onwa woba onwa ware into no so sa no so abeye ne partner. And now said sa nipa no so EU ni a waware no and now say onware no. And now sa nipa no a EU ni no okra sa limited leave to remain under your appendix EU assay. Inti share your appendix FM for bereaved partner na say na nipa no sa applicants no oti chrome ha or limited leave to remain no ne partner no na oye obi a ono so onenete a chrome ha ebia we free during that time. Inti from the section on bereaved partner no your idea now said the main thing that I said we'll dream home I say we partner now on it no during the time now mo daso ewo hono na sa nimpa no so efrim a untumi enye hwehwe nti say ye hwe ye definition of partner na ye the bereaved partner so kan ho a na ye kire say sa nimpa no na oye settled and I say British and I say okra sa limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no na ono sano we free during the time of more relationship na mutim no and say eno na your friend bereaved partner
yo na meti ase a se obi ewo ekun ana eyere ana mpna one na tena at least mfie mienu a omo a friend maybe a durable partner and ordinary client friend of common law relationship now matena 2 years na wasetena na yade ma wono a wo no wo wasetena se eye bema no ana oba no nti ana yade ama wo se sa oba no ana bema no eka ba bia wo betimi aye application because ye nyina nim se wo ya application I was when it does on the bema no ana oba no oba we die nyame atonsa friend nti oni ho ti so oni ho a wobetumi ayɛ saa application na wobetumi ayɛ a dan ne nhyehyɛ a aban ayɛ ɛwɔ ho sɛ wodi so na wotumi adi nya wɔn krataa.
Patrick, nti sɛ yɛka sɛ immigration rules na dia aban no ɛda hyehyɛ hɔ sɛnea yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi ahwɛm ahwɛ sɛnea yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi anya asetena sɛ biribi sei esi a ɛnyɛ dia yɛpɛ but sɛ wokunu anasɛ wo yere anasɛ wo partner no efiri a ɛyɛ biribi a ɛha adwen ebim bebree enim sɛ ɔmo kunu anasɛ ɔmo yere efiri anasɛ ɔmo partner ne firi a bibi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo betumi ayɛ afa ho ebia sɛnya me boss no ebia wodwen sɛ because na unware yɛ no ebia wontumi ɛnyɛ ho hwɛ but as long as you can show sɛ nipa na ɔyɛ wo partner no na wone na atena for at least that 2-year period ebia mu neighbor because ebia mo tena yɛ one sheda anwo anasa because of my age no there was nothing to say mo womba under 18 anasa bibisa nti wone sa nipa no atena nipa no efrim then na obetumi aye afa wasetena no ho nti wo hwɛ ye Appendix FM under ye section BPLID say obi or ye application under ye Appendix FM based on the fact that ne kunu anasa ne yere anasa ne partner efrim because of the fact say na owo asetena ewo krom ha na ne kunu anasa ne partner anasa ne yere efrim ninti on to me enya asetena based on the normal Appendix FM partner route because I said to me say wo kunu no eda so te wo genuine and subsisting relationship but say ye share ye bereaved partner na I said to me say sa wo kunu anasa wo yere na wo ne tena ye no na because of the fact say wenya asetena based on the partner route into wo route na wo so no answer na old free no it was based on the fact say ye de ma wo as ne yere anasa no kunu anasa wo partner not as a fiancé not as a proposable partner into no so no na wo ka say because na asetena na ye de ma wo no it was based on the partner route ninti o per se omo hwem na omo tumi eye ho bibi. Number 2 omo hwe say wo ka say oye application no o ka say wo kunu ampa we frame into wo death certificate to make sure say wo kunu we frame ampa anasa oye no we frame ampa. And then number 3 o hwe say wo kunu anasa oye na we frame no ansa no be frame no na onenete into na mo genuine and subsisting relationship mo nene mo tena mo ka say mo tena UK Chrome ha into say omo ultimate stress na wo sa intention say mo betena UK Chrome ha into na oyo obi a ote to kwan into ebia for 6 months 7 months on ba UK Chrome ha na oda so te baby a ote no on ba ya ebe den na wetumi a kire say na mo mienu no na mo tibom e wo UK Chrome ha mo pese abai no edwen say na mo ntimbom into sanyama we no ubetumi a kire by way of the documents ebia or bank statements or utility bills or nyama kire say na oda so eti Chrome ha or tua ne bills oda so eti Chrome ha or ye ne business and answer oda so eti Chrome ha or ye adwuma into sanyama we ni na so kire say at least sanimpa no na oni ne Chrome ha mo was a genuine and subsisting relationship mu into no sa no say wo the documents kire a wo kire say enya won kwa na wote na wo na wukunu na ete nti o mo behia wukunu so documents enya won kwa wo documents o mo behia wukunu so documents nti wukunu say obetumi enya ne bills ne bi obetumi enya enyama from ABI insurance enyama ebetumi achesa na motibom nti enyama at least o mo betumi ehu say na wo ne wukunu etem na mo bobra together and no na person who send am betumi and make a decision based on the fact say wo no kru no na mote ekrom ha no na ma ware no anase mo relationship no na eso nti ade na ampa mo ho ansa na ofrim nti of wefrim dia and say omotumi hwe na omotumi ma wo indefinite leave to remain a obetumi edetna UK ekrom ha nti eno nso say otumi kire say at least asetna na omoma awo ansa na wokunu no efrim no na onye on the partner route. Secondly, wokunu na say we no wefrim and thirdly say wo kire say wokunu anasa we na wo ne no na mo genuine subsistent relationship mu a muti krom ha nti no so sa no na omo hwe say nyom wetumi e de asetna no so ama yeah.
Yo, Lawyer Eunice, where the dawas and in Chichrimui. Na, o a warrior dear, Nyame chow, a warrior or chow, Timichow baka home. Tis a or ba, I was our remu, nane mame, and nane papa baby, money I ha. And I be crowd bow than a bow warrior. Na, papa and mammy a free mui. So we your application now. Ubeti me at the Akolayaka Huana.
Inti ye appendix FM so we share your section on bereaved partner and ka bibia emfa akola no ho but we share your immigration rules na e ka say ebia we share akola na akola no ye we dependent into we share child route no so a enhye da enkyere mu say obetumi aye application for indefinite leave amasa akola no but e kire say we person we ye application for indefinite leave dia and so wo chese sa akola no because enam so ntina onya sa asetna no for leave to remain nti eno no sa no na wo kire mo say because when you indefinite leave to remain nti omo hwe the child nti ye share ye gen 3.2 based on exceptional circumstances and the fact that sa akola no so ono so entumi enya sa asetna na wo na it will be unduly harsh for that child. Inti say wo ka say because of akola na wa wo no nti wo wetumi enya wo indefinite leave to remain based on wo kunu anasa wo yere a we free but because akola no on sheda any routes bia obetumi aye application no o pese home office for no so ehwe ye exceptions anasa exceptional circumstances under ye gen 3.2 and now say ebia because we are for no ebia what are roots no so partner roots no so for a period of 5 years into to say yeah private life route no akola no so other so for that 5-year period then it means that we to me aye application no for akola no under yeah appendix private life because akola no so it to me enya na sitna no for that 5-year period no on that route. And now say ebia akola no ye wonu krom ha into we D7 crampo ewie into no so star no so ebetumi aye application no based on the fact that ye wonu wo krom ha with D7 into no so star a application for indefinite leave to remain based on private life route no so into there are alternatives in regards to children into no sa no either say Oma home office for no aye based on more discretion under ye gen 3.2 of the immigration rules and now say akola no ebeba ye appendix private life settlement no so or say either say we nya 2.5 no for a qualifying period of 5 years because or ye under 18 and now say we won wo krom ha into we D7 and so no so a application no for indefinite leave to remain on ye appendix private life no so. Those are the 3 options in terms of enkola or dependence on a bereaved partner also. Yeah.
Yo, Lawyer Eunice, where that was na yetiasia se ukun ana wo yere ka baabi na wo ba ha ana wo wa ha se kun ana eyere a o ka baabi kra nhihye wo ho a obetime anya asetena. Se wo ba obetime de banaka ho. Na de mpesem bisa ne se sabio saadi we ba wani wudutimi nhwe baabi a obehu se wani aye kakakaka na orefi na wo visa no ewu a na wo se wo kokrum ana visa na wunu kra obetimi aye application
into visa no ewu na o chire home office for ne say during the time now unya will last leave to remain na wo partner route no so na wonim krampo say bibi wo ho say a ubetumi aye. As long as you are able to show say now last leave now also no na based on wo kunu anasa wo yere na o no, then they will be able to use their discretion in terms of the fact that what say wo kunu anasa wo yere no we free, and the fact that now at least now wo say wo kunu ene wo yere na wo ne no now mo relationship no genuine. Nti omo hwe say wo asetna na wo no na based on the partner route no so, but na unim crampo say bibi wo ho say a ubetumi aye, then they would then use their discretion to then make that application to say okay ebia na unim, but afi na we be hu say bibi wo ho say a ubetumi aye application ama omonso ahwem ide ama
yo yeda lawyer Eunice ase ana sana watimi a church nsemu ya to asom yie abusuafo unfortunately no abrabo no sana ete no bibia timisi wutimi epra wutimi wu bibitimi si enti important say ye be ma nkrofo ate sansem we say ukun ana wo yere enti no de ba kromu ha no so waka ba bia eno nkyere se wasetena no ase ne mo we bakra wo mu a eno so kra nkyere se akwala no ontimi ntina de hia titiru ne se wo be application na wo de akọ na lawyer Eunice yedusu yenim se wo koje indefinite stay na ebi wo ho a wo se wo ye English na life in UK also hukun ana wo yere wu sabio ani kra wo de ebesua ade kra wontimi nsua enti sa nkrofo yi omo kwaya application for indefinite stay na e wo so omo ye English ni bia na
enti ye appendix settlements no say obi bereaved partner, that person is excluded from doing the English language test and a life in the UK test. But say ya kola wedi more than 18 dia, and that person would have to do that English language test and as a life in the UK test maybe. But based on your section bereaved partner idea, standing panel on your life in the UK and sa English language test maybe. And so only exempt from those tests.
We there asem papa abusuafo ene ade a yesua ne se wo ba ha asekun ana eyire ana se mprampo a woni bema na na oba no atena fom fie mienu a na wasetena na ugina so a time na bema no na oba no wui na ya setena se partner ntine de mawa se oka ba bi ana nyame frɛ na wonhwere wasetena no ye be mawo asetena edimu na asetena edimu no ye de mawa uhia se wo be English ana wo be life in UK na mum akwala kra nso ka ho a wo betimi ade akwala na ka ho the lawyer Eunice ka so a me da bebre ni se eba se na owuo na ba no mpofrim na bia wo visa no kra bia ewu kakra eno nkyere se e wo se wo free akokrom ana se wontimi nya application still wo betimi aya application ama aban no ebesom the aba ne se ye pese ye hu se na nkrofo amo perform se ne niam enti ye be kire mo ade kakra BWF Solicitors se na munim no ye community based lawyers ye bibia ye bia ye dwen community no ho ye website ye website no sabio ye de resource egu ho sa resource no se na be application bi se wo pese wo ye ana wo pese wo akokenkan law no ana wo pese wo koye bibia ebetimi aboa o enti ye be kire mo se wokọ BWF Solicitors your website na wokọ immigration and nationality ho na o click immigration and nationality ado be kọ baby foforo saa de ni nyina no e kire immigration law e mawo to me e kire ye niemem wokọ ase kakra wo be hu se ye wo links bi wo ho enti se wo abusuani bi a opese oba UK as a visitor o click visiting UK a wo hu se de wa kọ form no so a wa obetimi aye se yesa akọ akire na ye hwe wo BWF Solicitors website ne so wo si o me pese me baby best school na minim se na me ye no minim form ko a me fele o click studying in UK a de wo be kọ o hwe ase a ma o studies ni nyina e wo ho se wo kọ akire BWF website and so now see okay me pese me ba UK e be ya adwuma na me nim form ko a me fill it form be na me fill it okọ a your website no ade okọ home office website na watimi affill it website no na bi kra na ye nko back ye bi house o lawyer me de me pese mo cases here mo kan immigration rules immigration cases here no mo website there no until you click immigration cases all right bottom right now we be immigration cases no o click here mo say edemo court ho sana cases ni nyina immigration cases obetimi use the aye case no enti BWF Solicitors your website no e resource bebre wo ho a say obi ehia say obehwe ana say your bibi policy and law ukọ nifa ho asoro kakra na obon say your policy and law ohwe policy and law niema ye betena ha ye kanyina egu ho enti say upesa ukọ your website na aye www.bwfsolicitors.com www.bwfsolicitors.com o click your website na nkasa click if akon achiro BWF no ubehu se edo beko website no kama e kira onema ye nyina o practice area example e kira say ye dispute resolution ye family law ye Ghanaian law and ye immigration law obese unya ye contactor and now if you book consultation cry na book a consultation o click here e be yi form bi ama sa form no o click no so a ade be koso pepepepepepepe na the information na bre no book na ya frel na yetimi ene wadi nkomo enti obia se wo adamfo bi oso o me fill form we na me hu se na meye no pepese the lawyer Eunice kan no pepese me ye bi mo bi form be na menya uko BWF Solicitors website so a na uko immigration and nationality a na uko form a ubehu se form so no ne link ne bibia ya de aguso ti abusuafo BWF Solicitors sana munim no ye was 7 sisters ye were 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road London N15 4NP na your phone number office ye bi so ope lawyer Eunice ope lawyer Richard ope lawyer Patrick ope lawyer Charles ana ope Auntie Cynthia ana say ope any case workers na ana person offer your office na wo Ghana no kra na offer 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 offer lawyers bebre wo wa obetimi ni o makasa lawyer Eunice na question bia me pese me bisa obi aba UK or the partner route ne buy or the buy no bedu ya na ni kun no eyare enti wabedu be 2 months ni on di 5 years on di 2.5 on di 1 year bema no na dwuma ye no asa nti oni 186 no oba no so ba onya adwuma ko ba ye ni kun yare nti ni kun no hwe no onti ono nso ntimi nya 186 no so yes application na ye hwe 186 na ase ye nhwe
nti ye obibi ewo ye appendix FM no so in regards to partners say o kasa wo partner age benefits bi na ebia because of benefits na all genency to me meet sa financial requirements and no sano almost as specify under your partner roots eligibility requirements ne say sanipa no or British and after or settled no edge either disability living allowance and answer OJ PIP almost say personal independent payments because sanipa no enya some form of disability be into no sano because of a no or just asikano into say nunti na untumi emit sa 18,600 na then they can exempt you from meeting that 18,600 requirement because of the fact say ukro na wabayare no just that paper or just a disability living allowance. And say no will exempt you from the 18,600 a year. And so to me, other so will leave to remain also based on our partner now on anything.
Yo, yeah, that's Busian for sir, who person will fresh studio now? Yeah, telephone number no. 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Now person will frame mobile and so on. 073 99 20 8468. Lawyer Eunice, will be the question about Facebook. Or say, I was on the parent route for 2.5 years, and on my renewal, I was granted 2.5 years based on my partner. My next renewal is next year. Can I apply for indefinite leave to remain, or I have to do another 2.5? Thank you.
And say, if I Crowway, what to say? When you have 5 years out, and also say, no bet to me apply for indefinite leave to remain. But my main church must say, and say, or say first 2.5 no na our parents' route no so, and as you see our partner route no so. I'm sure say based on this second 2.5 now we know, or according on the 5-year route no so. Pacho bebre 5-year route now omode ama ono. Nensha se F started from the time a obenya or partner also onene etia o meet our requirements. Either say wo say oye obia one sa wo kunu a wenya British citizenship ete and now say onya settled status and so wo ne wo kunu a onya settled status ete. And then you are showing say your relationship with sa wo kunu and say wo area and say wo partner grandpa won worry no a genuine and subsistent in say no sano na wo chere almost say because more meeting that relationship requirements no more san actually almost say wo meet that immigration status requirements into immigration status requirements nature say you are not here for less than 6 months, and the fact that you are also not here based on abia assisting among farmer into you are not an overstayer into and also sano you are telling them say because me ya 2.5 based on me bana abia or ye British and answer ye settled e wo krom ha sisi ade me was sitting e wo krom ha me pese me switch call me kunu no so into me ye me application and sana me leave no ewu into me meet sa immigration status requirements no also actually mo say we meet English language requirements because why level A1 and answer A2. And then you are also telling them, say, over to me, I meet this financial requirement of at least 18,600 a year. And you also meet the accommodation requirements. And to say, meet the requirements waiting now, not only the water partner routes, no so, say, almost partner routes 5 years. Then it means, say, 2.5 now, the amount no. So we sign another 2.5 on that same route, no so, which is the partner route. And sana omobe consider say ubenya sa indefinite leave to remain. Into say the normal on parents' routes now, it is a different requirement altogether on the partner route. Into some the amount based on partner and there so that's so and now start partner routes no so for 5 years and sana way to me ISR application for indefinite leave to remain. Into Pacho, so so yeah, another 2.5 and sana 1 year application for indefinite leave to remain on partner also.
Yo, Lawyer Eunice, ya dasi bebre. Bakun so amenya, or say me baha as a yere na mi bedu ya no 2 years pepe ana mi kunwui. Enti, but adwuma ame ya no, almost application na amaye no. Me need proof bia se mitimi koso ye adwuma because me kun no ewu o ma ka krom se me kun ewu but my application for indefinite leave and my enti Lawyer Eunice then na metimi aya metimi akoso aya madwuma no.
Okay, inti say e bia why application no e hom baaye embaye but wait to me actually almost say wo kun we from e bia na won share that any documents bia inti dia wo no e na wo de koma omo nti e bia wo kunu no ade a unim say na e wo fie no e the bank statements nti the bank statements na crampo na e current nti old ones no e na wo de call ye and I say bills no one wotua nti bibia e wo wodi mu a wo kire say na wote efie honom bi nti e bia wo kunu no wan sheda enja ne documents bia e wo fie e bia na bibia e online nti ne online account no e bia won need details no nti won sheda any those documents ube to me I catch almost say because of the fact said na ukru na onenete no now most of the things he was paying it online and ya dia ube to me unsaka sa documents no they can also do their checks with HMRC because home office was at to me no and ube to me I those checks into say ebia na ukru no the pay slips no eba online the bank statements eba online Oman Kasan so able to me I those checks no with HMRC to see whether this person was working in the UK was doing something able to me actually almost say na nipa way or daso crass account way and answer or daso juma with this company way almost so sano able to me I find it out say sa nipa na ebia ejuma no or jai sa time way and or jai sa period way into home office no I was so to me now, almost to me, dia sa checks with HMRC, any banks no ni na. And she said, "O catch on say, who needs our details now?" Almost to me so I yes those checks under your Borders Act of 2007. I think so. Will be a phone line also.
Yo, onia yama watching you, Pacho. Udini baby a ofrefi.
Yo, good morning, Uncle Ben. The Pacho. Oh, okay, very good. Pastor, your friend, Nana, the cassette sorry. And Uncle Ben, yeah.
Yo, Nana.
Pastor, no quick question. Yo, Nana.
My question, Uncle. Tie what phone so why? My question, Uncle.
The Pastor, yo. The Pastor, say, oh, worry you, not almost refuse, not assembly court. Not say, oh, we in court, no. Not say, oh, try home office for implementation now. That's a Maya. Can home office able to me for interview and
Lawyer Eunice, Pacho answer no Maya.
Inti say ebia wo application na wo ye no na ye as a partner of an EU national wako court na agentum say sa application na wo ye na enye say mo refuse it inti omo allow decision no say home office no anka say home decision na court na make ye no is an error of law inti omo ansa anye appeal say omo say decision no was not in line with the law there and their court no aka no na say home office for no so implement this decision no sir inti say omo anye appeal for any reason whatsoever na omo ka say before you implement wo decision no say yes anye interview bioma then it is going against the whole point of implementing the decision of the court in no sano you have to go back to the court's decision that they made say implementation no say mo policy nature say court make a decision na one year further appeal na say woman nipa no ne nkrata inti based on one kasamo guidance na mo for implementation no e say mo tumi ma san nipa no residence card and I say you be a office eba na e say mo nipa no ne permanent ne family permit or debate me a room until they cannot therefore go again and say almost sign a interview biom after the court has allowed the decision.
All right. Pastor, no,
you home office for Nankasa crowd guidance actually say also mudi court decision so so people from so your friend say onia your friend say na he na wo frefi. Hello onia your friend say na he na wo frefi.
Mpacho Timinka.
Ya tonka pa medofo.
Mpacho your friend me Mpacho me free Scotland.
Yo, Ekia, Manenko.
But you then come to me, Pisa, me naturalization and me fill it form no me by myself. But me fill it form no me do be na ask about the card that me class BRP or but me a bit confused because me were permanent residence card that me through EU family member and I me were me EU settlement scheme for the indefinite leave to remain. Into me name say the permanent residence card na me crown and on is being classified under the BRP no. So I'm a bit confused.
Lawyer Eunice by answer. And Tiasuneti.
Into for sure, say, why permanent residence card now? That is the only card that you have. In say, no, and a biometric residence permit card now. Bisa say. In say, we will share right hand corner of the card now. It has the number that they are referring to. In say now the biometric residence permit card number no asheho.
What you say? Okay. Yo. Lawyer Eunice, sir, Obi Awoha, na Oda Sukra, permanent residence. Na onye EUSS na. Advice ben on the Bemasa any panel. Yet me about with the why EUSS. But card no Oda Sukra. Advice ben on the Bemani panel.
Inti, sir, Chrome ha either as an EU national and now say a family member of an EU national. Na ukra permanent residence card and as a residence card krampuna ye na ye nim say because of ye Brexit ninti UK government no asheda ye appendix EU and I say ye EU settlement scheme senya nkrofo a omo ye EU for and as omo family no ebe protected because ye nim say EU mbra and yet ejuma ewo ekrum ha and they did announce say as of the 30th of June 2021 no EU regulation 2016 2016 na no bo EU for ho ban inti se unim se uti krom ha ukra residence card and now say ukra the permanent residence card because we are family member of an EU national and I say one kasa we EU ni ukra EU passport na unto me and yes our EU settlement scheme no by the 30th of June 2021 no na omo aka say a reasonable reason the NCA went to me and your EU settlement scheme application and you are not protected under the law because so uti krom ha now dream say was our permanent residence card and as a residence card as a family member na unto me and yes our EU settlement scheme no then it means say one kasa no only right to work only right to rent unto me nkra bank account into bibia ebebo but so wait to me ayesa EU settlement scheme ne dia na unim say bibia ese uye bia no regardless of the fact say ukra permanent residence card and I say ukra ye residence card ni bi no na wo chere almost say at least me to me ayem EU settlement scheme ni bi nti embrana mudi abana mo friend appendix EU no so me sha ase bi nti metumi so ayedwuma metumi so arrente metumi so ekra bank account aye bibia ese me ye bia to say obi a ote UK chrome ha nti se wonye ya patcho bebre as of 30th June 2021 only asset na nti se also oye sa EU settlement scheme ni be senya so sa no obetumi akoso atna UK chrome ha.
Yo, Lawyer Eunice, that was bebre. Na akaya 9 minutes. Na ya we say upesa of fresh studio na. Your numbers in here 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 and our friend mobile now. I 073 99208 Eunice, obide question bia aba me we no. Or say, Lawyer Eunice, what is the difference between bereaved partner and domestic violence?
Okay. Inti so now would see me at the beginning of the program. Now me say yeah immigration rules and said that and define who a bereaved partner is, but at least share what a partner is. And so you name say a partner yeah obia ebia waware no, and I say obia unware no, but unena at now for at least period of 2 years. And I say ebia sa nimpa no crampo no or ye EU near when you limited leave to remain into either say waware no and I say unware no, but sa EU nimpa no or limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no so. Say na ukra asetna ewo krom ha for limited leave to remain. Na sa nimpa no efrim dia na wa be bereaved partner. But say wo ka say ebia ukru no mfrim insi na oye wo ayakayaka de insi wo pese wo application based on domestic abuse. Sa nimpa no, it doesn't just have to be your partner. It can be any family member. Into say, oh, say, sa partner na ebia na onam no so edinya asetna ewo krom ha na oye wa yakayaka de into cohesive behavior ebia na usika na say odema okrampo no on farm ma into financial abuse so ohwe wo ene nkola no one won kasa obefia is always moody, emotional neglect, abuse. All of those things come under appendix FM say wo share applicants for domestic abuse. Those are the sort of things that they are looking at. Inti say nimpa no obi a wa abuse o. And you are saying, say, because enam no so nti na medin ya sit na nti sanimpa we because of nyema na ode yem ya na mintumi enye ho hwe nti me pese me application based on domestic abuse there and there ubetumi ayi application because nipa kon no on free mo but nipa no eda so wo ho a o pese o kire say relationship no in terms not to cry into I break it down permanent into now yes application.
Yo lawyer Eunice obi wo line so ampacha bowdin na chere bia wo fafi
me pacho so from coffee pacho me ka tafi North London.
Yo pacho I don't pay question here then
pacho na pay question here madam from bia Ghana me pacho or apply visit visa na all apply no omo refuse no na refuse omo janso ne say secure order to account no mo no encounterment of money and no and into omo janso the refuse no that means omo say jama or this cash and kwani to account no like one year money transfer honestly na jama no cash in hand and na oje ona ye weather weather into jama no be no I'm this kind of shit, and also that I could track country no more. But central currency, and say it's got a better country, now is cash into no, and into my chance of the refusal, and also I'm charging to me this amount, patch up.
Yo, lawyer Eunice by answer.
Inti sawa down for now we can who ask them no. I'm sure so non kasa when a business. Or they can to accounting. And I know that now we are trying to register companies and things in Ghana. Inti say why registration of the business on far and no documents nature say the business now or no say business. Into because of the fact that most of the business is cash in hand in and they are over to me actually say in for transfer cannot directly into that account and say no or just say or this cannot to account after ABR weekly sales and I say or this cannot to account after every day sales and as or this to account after every month sales. Into depending on how regularly he puts the money into the account. Now I'm a whole further explanation say because of the business now or you need say and order to accounts every week and I say every day and I say every month saying at least over to me a home account into say or your accounts ever home so over to me a produce and no aka the company documents no so ho na at least who say genuine business or and yet bibia or on the side because I think say most of the time no so we're sure there are a lot of things going on that is not legitimate. Into saying legitimate money, now they will be looking at it with very cautious eyes. Into me produces that documentation and show me said the business na registered ne sika na onya no say na auditum at the end of the month say no and onya into at the end of the year bia ne accountant eya ho accounting reports na or the bibia atutu ye into so the documents we so kan ho I'm sure say ebeboa ne application also all
yeah so you really sympacho what empacho what oma they are coming in or yelling in but adiba kwa and one fan can the accountant na and all the and one fan can but we are registered jumano even because we be share juma or the receipts at the mano HSA osime service jumaka saying or the account but and still we come 2 times almost still now one fa a skirt to na account in counted caches into no anytime by chance very free no and I said about oh no matter my yama and pacho
pacha into my name free office line na
only the organ you know so we be na be me na me be mama no
okay you into either or no bet to me afraid your office no organ and as a was so person over na wait to me a book number
okay but you but that's you about
that's the brain. Because for visitors application na nipa no I self-employed I cash in hand so na unisi kano my accountant and prepare accounts on count na for account bank statements and the receipts no so na etimi original line so I'm say last call I hear fano pacho your frau say na he na wo frefi
me ba so me de akua me ka self spending
you akua no pay
my question here about graduate route.
You, madam.
Me school no, and yama me graduate route no. And so enche ebewu. And na me bisa say no wa kwanya bi a metimi asaye application bi.
Okay. Into the graduate route no is only to give you a period of time saying ya ube to me ahwehwe adwuma aye ewo krom ha into say bia we will studies no omo graduate route of 2 years into during that time no na omo expect say ube hwehwe adwuma omo be to me ama osa skilled worker visa no so into bia why 1 year on the graduate route account 1 year say ohwehwe juma with a sponsor to me offer was a skilled worker visa into every employer bia and able to me ama sponsorship no and as to me ama certificate of sponsorship into no sano ohwehwe employer to me ama certificate of sponsorship to me atwa so on the skilled worker route atna ekrom ha or let's say what we will be a chrome ha na opening panasem and also pewasem ojidi says any power na person within bra so if you are saying say we share obi e chrome ha either say nipa kono e British and I say okra indefinite leave to remain and I say oye obi a oye EU ni a okra limited leave to remain to me as which akọ sa partner route no so and I say we back together and so to me our application on the fact say we are worried nipa way and I say only nipa way wo ba mo pese mujna and no so the application ma wan kasa until you have the choice of finding work on a skilled worker route and I say obeba family life no so.
Okay, Martin.
Okay, I told some.
I told my son.
You, that's it. I was your for aha ane dim besi na mo ansa na yebekọ no lawyer Eunice obetimi abọ niema na ye buebu ene no obetimi abọ ni nyina atofa amaye.
Okay. Inti and then na topic no efa obi a oti krom ha ebia nukunu anase na yure efrim a opese oye application edit na ekrom ha. Inti se ebia obaye ukunu anase oyere anase wo bi a wona niti ekrom ha mo nhyeda enware ye inti nipa krono eye wo partner. O ka se saa nipa we enam no so na medinya me 2.5 na medetna ekrom ha. Nipa kro we film enya ade a metumi enya bibia biom se we film de a mentumi enye ho hwe nti ebe den na metumi aye enya asetena ewo krom ha nti based on na the America no na America say obetumi a kire se we live na omodema wo 2.5 na omodema wo no na ye based on say we your partner of obi a we British and say obi a okra settled status ewo krom ha and say obi a okra EU passport but we yan limited leave to remain ewo krom ha sa asetena na omodema wo no so obetumi a kire se because wo kunu na na say wo yere no we film ninti wo bisa omo senya omo betumi ama wo indefinite leave to remain because now wo kunu na say wo yere na wo nenete no na mo relationship wo ho pinting na mo ya madrin couple say mo tena ekrom ha ye nyema bi but we ebesi ye no muntumi enkoso enye dia na mo ma plan say mo beye into wo share on home office phone say woni sanipa crowe and it's na ye documents from one kasa ho ene nipa na na oye British and asa oye settled and asa na okra EU passport with limited leave to remain e wo krom ha na wo kire mo se nipa no so efrim into death certificate no wo de ebema omo na wa kire mo se ampa na wo 2.5 e wo krom ha ansa na wo kunu na asa wo yere no o frim se wo akola so bi wom na oye application na obetumi e de akola na oye dependent child no so aka application no ho inti either say omobema akola no indefinite leave to remain based on almost exceptional circumstances and I say akola no because on also enya qualifying continuous period of 5 years or the atna ekrom haninti ombetumi amane indefinite and I say akola no crampo wo no krom ha inti wenya 7 and also say no obetumi aye indefinite leave to remain application say about life in the UK test and I say English language test no there no there onka ho be because there is no requirement say we life in the UK and I say we English language test bia inti no sa no na ode akola na ka ho na mwaye application no inti and ya cheche nyama bebremu but immigration ehun nyama nko a na ye de ho adwuma sana ye boss so beginning of the program no ye family applications any things like child arrangement orders any divorce any nyama to say non-molestation orders any occupation orders ye civil litigation so say obi de kana waye bibia en fata based on a contract so no ewa and also star no ye ho adwuma inti debi yen kan say o issue ana say o adamfo ana say o obi ebia ohia yemboa na wetumi nso I recommend sa nipa no to BWF Solicitors senya your website no aye krado na at least wetumi actually almost say yen so your website nti almost so sa no ebetumi akọ your website no so ahwe dia almost here nti we are born by said that and then you be sign issue mo the details no sign ebetu dwa na se mu hia yen mo betumi nso afre yen BWF Solicitors you were 7 sisters you were 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so you were London postcode N15 4NP into N15 4NP. Your main office line you'll be from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday to Friday. nti your main office line 0208 493 7340 nti 0208 493 7340.
Yo, Lawyer Eunice, and that was Facebook family, Moamutie, BWF Solicitors TV. Munina ya damase. China, Yawaha, China topic, I am more pesa, more demobution for bahas, nurses, and our carers. And I wear Juma, pesa, will call license. Now we timidly pay free Ghana, and I baby for froba. Sana obey, I'll be to me keep license, and problem mbaho. And I say, oh, pesa oba when your license. Then we'll be do when your problems, or to be a boa, a chinano near Becano. Lawyer Eunice, yeah, that was be brave. Yeah, studio manager, a die, also yeah, that was say, Busia for your dobiase. Yamea doma, a china, memenda, Yebishiamo, Ewaha. Yamisha na, yasashia. Bye bye.
Yeah, fair ma, ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebree. Ni ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi ti se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awarja ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni ye wo brei mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Wope advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.